Imagine a kitchen in Bologna. A mama bolognese is making pasta just her ancestors did. Now imagine she's cooking couscous, which is not from Bologna, looking at online recipe. Before she eats, she takes pictures to upload it on Facebook. This is the new phase of culinary culture in the digital age. I'm Aoi. My research explores how digital technologies are reshaping the culinary culture of home cooking in Bologna. I interviewed 40 families, all from Bologna, with the age between 33 to 80. So, how digital innovations impact food traditions? I share 5 key findings. Firstly, tradition remains, and digital supports it. At Christmas, almost all my interviewees eat tortellini with their own family recipes. It never changes. But one woman said, I could never make crescentine, but one day I found a recipe on Facebook and I tried it. It was not at the level of my grandmother's, but it was not bad. So digital support people to keep their traditions alive. Secondly, everyday cooking is more varied. Now people try new recipes by watching YouTube videos or adapt the traditional ones for healthier or quicker cooking, right? Thirdly, food connects people. A 65-year-old man loves sharing his dishes on Facebook group. And he told me, by exchanging recipes, I connect myself to the community. Fourthly, gender roles are changing. Men traditionally not be taught to cook at home, are now learning from the internet. A 33-year-old man said, I actually started to cook with YouTube. Mio cavallo di battaglia. My risotto is fantastic. Lastly, food is not for eating, but for seeing also. Now social media is changing our way of eating. One man even admitted, I sometimes decide what or how to cook based on what it will look on Instagram. So in conclusion, people use digital tools to preserve their traditions, but at the same time to innovate their daily cooking. Tradition and innovation are not in conflict, but in coexist. Thank you.